Hi, ninth grade English. This is Miss Stapp again with step 2 from this week's lesson plan. As you can see, the lesson is April 27th through May 3rd, and step 2 should be right in the middle of your screen. Read the assigned claim topics document found in this task or in your files on ManageBack. So attached to this date, the assignment, you should see some documents that you can open up. And here's the one that I was referring to, assigned claim topics. So this week we're going to give you a few topics to choose from, and you're going to develop your claim out of one of those. You can see right here my 5 topics are bulleted. You can choose any one that you are interested in. I'm just going to read the top one to you and use that and show you how you would choose your side. Let's see. The reader recognizes Nick as the most despicable character or the most admirable character in the novel. Can you hear how there are 2 arguments contained in that one topic? All right, so now you have to decide which argument you are going to take. Notice the topic you choose contains 2 opposing arguments. For instance, 1, Nick is the most despicable character, or 2, Nick is the most admirable character. Choose one side. Now, just a reminder here, I'm going to help you work through that claim and how you should frame it. Your claim will have a responsible agent. This can be the reader. This can be the character. This can be the writer. You're going to use the word should and then state the action. So let's see. I chose a topic that's different from those 5, just as an exemplar for you. And let's look at that really quick. Here it is. Gadsby's wealth brings him the happiness he desires, or Gadsby's wealth cannot bring him the happiness he desires. I have to decide which one I feel more strongly about. Both of those, you understand there will be evidence of that you can use to support your opinion in the text. But the one that I like and I think will be fun to work with is the responsible agent as Jay Gadsby. I'm going to use that word should. And the action I want is that he should pursue wealth to attain happiness. How do you feel about that? So use that to frame up my debatable claim statement like this. Jay Gadsby should pursue the American dream because it affords the opportunity to attain his happiness. Daisy Buchanan. Okay. Now, I want you to remember as you go through and you read these topics that, like I mentioned, the responsible agent may be the reader. The reader should take this away from the novel is another way to work on and frame up your claim. So think about those things, find an interesting topic, and the next step will be working that topic into your graphic organizer.